Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to write Selenium program in Eclipse. Open Eclipse and create a new Java project named Selenium Demo, then add Selenium jars or Maven dependencies. Create a SRC package and a test class with main method. Add WebDriver binaries to your project or path, instantiate browser driver, and write simple navigation and element interactions. Save and run the program to see automated browser actions in Eclipse console. Start by writing a clear test method that opens a browser and navigates to a target URL. Initialize WebDriver and configure implicit weights or WebDriver weights for stability. Use locator strategies like ID, name, CSS selector, and XPath to find elements reliably. Perform actions such as click, send keys, and submit, and include assertions to validate page state. Finally, call driver. Quit in a teardown block to close the browser cleanly. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long coding sessions and standing at the keyboard. I've linked the product and deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When tests fail, check driver logs and browser compatibility first to narrow issues quickly. Use explicit weights and proper locators to avoid flaky tests and improve reliability. Validate your project build path, dependencies, and Java version to prevent compilation errors. Run isolated tests to reproduce failures and use screenshots or console output for debugging. Maintain small, reusable helper methods to reduce duplication and speed up troubleshooting across suites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.